Welcome to my channel. I am Idress. Today we're going to talk about the literary criticism of Horace. 65 BC. He was born and he was died BC. His full name was Contus Horatio Felix, and he was commonly known as Horace and was a Roman poet, best known for his satires and his lyric arts. His letter in verse, particularly his Ars Poetica and epistles to the Pisos, tells his brief about the art and craft of pottery. Contribution to the traditions, the literary theory we are exploring lie in his articulation of the purpose of pottery or literature in general. It is sweet and useful. Horace insists that literature serves the didactic purpose which had been Plato's main concern, and it provides the pleasure. The two goals aren't incompatible, as Plato is a useful teaching tool. Horace argues precisely because it is pleasurable. The pleasure of the poetry makes it popular and accessible, and its lesson thus can be widely learned. Like Plato, Horace sees nature as the primary source for the poetry, but he argues that poetry and poets should imitate other authors as well as imitating nature. Horace thus establishes the importance of a poet knowing a literary tradition and respecting inherited forms and convictions, as well as creating new works. Thank you from my side today, and tomorrow I will talk about the Ars Poetica by Horace. Thank you very much for being with me.